Today we'll be taking a look at the latest Moza Racing R21 V2 direct drive wheelbase. Producing a peak torque of 21 Nm, the powerful flagship model is positioned at the top of Moza's direct drive lineup. The wheelbase kit comes well packaged, and included in the box is the user manual, which has the installation information and software introduction. There's a USB cable for connecting the wheelbase to a PC. There's some bolts and Allen keys for mounting the wheelbase, the power cable and power supply, and the R21 wheelbase is neatly packed in a bag. On the exterior, the R21 has a high quality fit and finish with a solid all aluminium body. This is designed with a matte finish on the central part and a gloss finish on the sides. There's accents of coloured details around the wheelbase, along with Moza logos and a small R21 logo. At the top of the wheelbase we can find the handy mounting points for the connection of an optional display. The optional display connects via the contact pad and pins, so there's no need for additional cables. The wheel shaft is all metal on the R21, and it's equipped with an integrated quick release mount. There's a machine cut out on the top, helping indicate the correct orientation when installing a steering wheel. The quick release has a solid connection to the steering wheel, and it makes swapping out wheels quick and easy. Moving to the back, we can find the power button, USB and power connections. The R21 also features an expanded range of connection ports for pedals, dash, shifter, handbrake and emergency stop. It's great being able to plug in all the accessories without using additional USB hubs or ports on a PC. The R21 has options to be mounted from the underside or from the front. Located at the bottom of the base, there are 4 M6 mounting holes, and the R21 can be installed and bolted onto a sim rig via these. There's also an optional front mounting bracket kit which can be installed to the front of the R21 via the 4 front threaded holes. This front mounting bracket can even be used to side mount the wheelbase to an aluminium profile rig. The high-powered optimised motor design with 21 Nm of torque on tap allows the R21 to produce an ultra-wide and powerful torque range that accurately reproduces the dynamic steering characteristics. Along with the high-resolution encoder, it's giving you precise, clear and detailed feedback when racing. The R21 wheelbase is compatible with PC, and the Pithouse software is used to adjust and control the wheel settings, such as the basic force feedback strength, rotation angle, or to adjust more advanced settings, which allows full customization and fine-tuning of the force feedback effects for dialing in the perfect setup. There's a selection of configured preset modes for quickly setting up the wheelbase to suit the driving style. And these default settings work well and can be further customized to your preference and then saved. Another important safety setting is the hands-off protection. This is especially helpful when using high-powered direct drive wheelbases. This function can effectively avoid the risk of injury and quickly help restore control by detecting that the hands are off the wheel. Once activated, it will quickly stop any oscillations and safely center the wheel. The software interface is user-friendly and very easy to navigate, allowing you to adjust settings for all the hardware connected and apply any new updates. Settings can also be changed in real time and controlled by using the mobile phone app. Moza has built another high-quality direct drive wheelbase, and with 21 Nm of peak torque, the R21 packs plenty of power, even for the most demanding users. The force feedback is strong, detailed, smooth and consistent. It's great for anyone looking for a high-powered wheelbase and well suited for rally, drifting, formula or GT racing.